Hey there, I'm Gary Schuster, your friendly neighborhood inventor, and this is Innovation Cafe. Today, I want to talk about, wait a minute, we're doing Canada today. Today, I want to talk about how an issued patent can help you on your journey to immigrate to Canada. Canada is more than the Great White North, it's more than maple leafs, and it's more than excessive politeness. As someone born in Canada, naturalized U.S. citizen as well, I can tell you Canada is an amazing place to operate as a creative person. There are amazing numbers of government programs that will help you get your startup going, will help you get assistance on the legal side for protecting your intellectual property. There's all kinds of scientific development, tax credits and programs, and content creation tax credits and programs. Canada has really put its weight behind innovation. So it will come to you as no surprise that as a country that values innovation, and by the way, values the role immigrants play in keeping the economy vibrant and amazing in Canada, that having issued patents is a little bit of a leg up in getting to move to Canada. Why does Canada value innovation? Well, it's renowned for its immigration-friendly policies and robust support for innovation and entrepreneurship. The government is actively seeking people who can contribute to the economy and drive technological advancement. An issued patent is like someone standing on the rooftop screaming, "This person can do it. This person can create the technology you want, Canada." So let's look at some of the programs that Canada has. There's the first one, which is a startup visa program. The startup visa program is designed for immigrant entrepreneurs with the skills and potential to build innovative businesses in Canada. To qualify, here's what you need. And again, see an immigration lawyer. This is not legal advice. You need to have a qualifying business. So it must meet certain ownership requirements that are well beyond the scope of a channel about innovation. You need a letter of support from a designated venture capital fund, angel investment group, business incubator, something like that. Now, you do need to have language proficiency in one of Canada's two official languages, English and French, and you have to have enough funds to settle yourself and your family in Canada. Now, a patent can make your business proposal much more compelling and increase the likelihood of securing support from designated organizations. After all, if you are the patent holder for an industrial process or for a device, you're the only one who can build that device or follow that industrial process without violating the patent's terms. That alone makes you a pretty good catch for Canada. So that's a real plus. British Columbia has a technology pilot program for tech workers. Now, your patent could easily align with the province's economic priorities and make you a strong candidate for nomination. And I will just mention, in particular, Alberta has a ton of oil and gas work. British Columbia has a lot of environmentally oriented work, and also technology companies. It's well known for online games, computer games. So these are some areas, if you wanted British Columbia, that you might want to look into. But generally, look into what the provinces are looking for, and that may be another pathway. Now, there's another one called the Express Entry System. And that system manages applications for 3 federal immigration programs that are economically based. So while the system's point-based, your patent can enhance your profile. Higher education related to your patent increases your points. Work experience, especially specialized work experience in your field, adds to your score. A valid job offer from a Canadian employer significantly boosts your chances. Although a patent doesn't directly add points, it does strengthen the factors that do. Now, another segment is the Self-Employed Person Program. This program is for individuals who have relevant expertise in cultural activities or athletics and intend to make significant contributions to these fields in Canada. So if your patent is related to artistic or cultural endeavors, that could be a pretty good pathway. Now, this may lean a little bit in favor of design patents, but generally, patents can actually assist with artistic matters. Imagine all the patents that exist on film and television technology. So much of art and creation of artistic materials relies on computers now. Having a patent on things in the artistic field is more impactful than you might think. Now, there's another one called the Global Talent Stream, and it's part of the Temporary Foreign Worker Program. It allows Canadian employers to speed up the hiring of foreign workers in specialized fields. If your patented work is in a high-demand tech sector, employers might be eager to bring you on board. Now let's look at something called the Global Talent Stream, and that is part of the Temporary Foreign Worker Program, which is a program that allows Canadian employers to speed up the hiring of foreign workers in specialized fields. If your patents are in a high-demand tech sector, employers are going to be much more eager to bring you on board. So there's yet another secondary benefit. Even if the patent doesn't directly assist you in getting some kind of visa, it may assist you in getting an employer who will be willing to sponsor you for some kind of visa. So let's look at some tips to strengthen your application. First, you want to prepare a really strong business plan. You want to highlight how your patented invention is going to benefit Canada. You want to get some endorsements early, secure them. You want to reach out to certain designated organizations, provincial bodies. This is a really good reason, by the way, to get a Canadian immigration lawyer because they'll know who to reach out to. And it's really going to be important to get French or English language skills. That's going to help you maximize your points. So again, immigration professionals are a great resource here. Canada has a bunch of opportunities for innovators and creators like you. An issued patent is much more than a symbol of your creativity. It's a valuable asset that can help facilitate your immigration journey. Before I conclude, I just want to mention that after the verbal part of this video is over, I'm going to include some information screens that can help you navigate the process further. But again, it's not legal advice, okay? If you found this video was valuable, please share it. Please subscribe. Please like it. You can do this. We all can do it. I'm not special in that I was born creative. We were all born creative. I might be special in that I was able to survive all those years of education without losing the creativity, but it's something that you can get back even if you have lost it. Now, I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more videos with tips and tricks and various fun parts of innovation and creativity. So please, if you have any comments, if you want me to cover a different subject, just mention it in the comments and I will seriously consider covering it. I'm really looking to be a valuable resource to you here. Thank you for joining me today at Innovation Cafe. I'm Gary Schuster, your friendly neighborhood inventor. And remember, your creativity is a superpower. Use it. You were born with it. Find it again if you can't access it easily and use it. Signing off. Till next time.